As a marketing agency, we do offer some other services other than just the normal website SEO, ads online type deal, because what we found is everything is very visual on the internet, pictures, video, and so over the time we have developed a large repertoire of cameras and microphones and drones and everything else. The 3D camera, we can do virtual tours. So we work with a lot of realtors in the greater Cincinnati area and shoot their drone photography and videography as they're putting houses for sale. We do tours of local businesses so people can hop through the store or whatever it is, like they were literally there in person with realistic 360 views and stuff like that. And we also do a little bit we also do a little bit of logo design, image editing, graphic design type deal. We design postcards, we can run EDDM campaigns, we can do door hangers and so on and so forth if you needed shirts created, whatever it may be, right? So anything on the advertising side of marketing your business, that is what we do. But we really do focus on the internet because that is where the majority of people will find your business. So if there's something that we could do offline or maybe not in our straight wheelhouse core services of web design, SEO, and ads, we will certainly add that to the repertoire of services we are providing you to get you the results you are looking for, because at the end of the day, that's all that really matters. So if you are ready to take your business to the next level, please contact me now.